Today's the 6th of September 2022. We had Sauvakatu, was it?
Yes.
Steg C. It's here in Pajala, Järvenpää, West Kingdom, Indian Sports Region, Uusimaa on Finland. It makes these 4 pairs of 325 grams. Built by Kone, modernized with the features. And this is stage 41977, built in 1979, modernized in 2005 with round buttons. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. But still, one ride is enough here because it has indoors. It's typical modernization and not a very good fabricator now.
Yeah.
Notice I'm peeping here.
Yeah.
And they're like lemon yellow or cheese yellow.
Yeah.
Somehow. Yellow black cheese. Those stores. The grandfathers.
Yes.
I kind of like that color.
Same here.
It's like a lemon or like cheese.
Yeah. Inspected by and maintained by Kone.
But this cab should have been something more interesting. They could have also chosen like the lemon yellow color in the cab.
Yeah.
Or something similar. But then if they have only 2 elevators here, this was a very boring choice for the cab's interior.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in this case, they really should have put some sort of same color in the cab license.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's